In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to send a power message in LinkedIn. 99% of your competition has no idea how to write a message in the first place, and sure as heck don't have a clue how to write a power message. I guarantee that this will get you maybe 10 to 15 times the response that you would get from any other type of message. So very quickly, just the first line or the first sentence is how you help somebody just like them do something very similar to what they will want to do, what they're looking to get done for their business. The second and third, or just the second line, is what you either did in this transaction that's very unique and special, or what you do in general, and make it as irresistible as you can. And finally, just if it makes sense to talk, let's set up a quick call or Zoom, because you want this to be super short. People don't have any time to read long messages. Hope that all makes sense. That's everything in a nutshell.